Good morning. It is December 11th, 2020. I just want to do a little unboxing today and show you what I thought was a cheap, neat gift. My wife brought this home. It is the traxx color changing LED shower head. It's powered by running water, no need for batteries, which I thought was cool because a lot of this stuff goes through batteries like crazy, and it just doesn't seem worth it. But anyway, it comes in this small little box. Got it at the $5 and under store. Thought it was pretty neat. So really, there's nothing to the unboxing. It's just the shower head you see here with an O-ring, and you just take your old shower head off and you put your new shower head on, and then we're gonna pull that over a little. This is what it looks like installed. And let's turn the water on here. It does a lot of changing colors. Can't really see it with my phone, but it is changing colors big time. Very cool. Kids would love to take a shower in that. Got that at the $5 and under. This is Zulu. I'm out.